Step through the beautiful courtyard into this sheer perfection contemporary atrium ranch nestled on a private and quiet cul-de-sac. Oversized windows and cathedral ceilings. This ideal, open floor plan features a spectacular great room with a fireplace, formal dining room, family room and a private laundry room and lavatory. Total of 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Master bedroom suite includes a private bathroom, your dream, massive walk-in closet and a private sitting area. Take in some fresh air on the beautiful Florida room overlooking the leveled, scenic backyard. Come and see for yourself. Mint condition home loved and noticeably cared for by owners. Many updates throughout, young roof, new floorings and more. Low taxes. $9,685 with basic star discount.